We've all got them. Dozens of PDFs just sitting on our computers collecting digital dust. But what if I told you one of those simple files could become your single best salesperson? Yep. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to turn that simple file into an automated engine that finds customers for you. Let's dive in. I know, it sounds like a bit of a stretch, right? A PDF is usually just a dead end. You download it, you read it, and that's it. The conversation's over. Well, today we are going to completely flip that script. We're going to turn that dead end into the starting line for a fully automated customer journey. And here's the absolute best part about all this. You don't need a huge audience or some complicated, expensive tech setup. Seriously, this strategy is tailor-made for beginners. It's all about using simple, low-cost tools to create a system that just works, even if you're starting from absolute zero. So here's our game plan. First, we'll get into the right mindset. Then, we'll cover the core principle that makes it all tick. After that, we get practical. We'll walk through crafting the PDF, building the automated engine around it, and finally, getting it out there into the world. Okay, first things first, we have to start with a complete mindset shift. This section is all about fundamentally changing how we look at this humble file format. So, the old way of thinking, that's over there on the left. A PDF is just a thing you download. Information flows one way, and the relationship just stops. It's a dead end. But the new approach, it sees the PDF as the starting point, an automated tool that grabs someone's interest, actually starts a conversation, and kicks off an entire customer journey for you. So how does this shift actually work? I mean, it's not just some clever trick. There's a core principle, a big idea that makes this whole strategy so incredibly effective. And this right here, this is the key. Your PDF can't just throw information at people. It has to create transformation. It has to solve a real problem or deliver a genuine aha moment. That's the value that earns you trust and makes someone eager to see what else you've got. So let's reframe this. The PDF is not the product. Not anymore. Think of it as a strategic touch point. It's like a carefully designed bridge that takes a person from being a casual visitor to a trusting, engaged lead who's actually ready and willing to hear what you have to say. All right, we've covered the why. Now it's time to roll up our sleeves and get into the how. What actually needs to go inside a PDF that's designed to make things happen? Let's make this really concrete. Imagine you create a free guide and you call it 7 Mistakes to Avoid When Starting an Online Business. A title like this just works. Why? Because it's specific, it hits on a very real fear, and it instantly positions you as someone who knows what they're talking about. Every one of these high-impact PDFs needs these 5 key ingredients. You need a magnetic title to grab attention and a crystal clear promise of the value inside. The content itself can't just be facts. It has to be a persuasive story. And most importantly, you have to have trackable links and super clear calls to action that guide your reader to the very next step. So the PDF is the fuel, but fuel is kind of useless without an engine, right? Now we get to build the engine. This is where the magic of automation comes in, connecting all the pieces so they run all by themselves. And honestly, it breaks down into 3 pretty simple steps. First, you create a landing page, just a simple page with a clear message and a form to get the PDF. Second, you connect that form to an email service. Tools like GetResponse or System.io are great for this, and they'll deliver the PDF automatically. And third, you prepare a little sequence of follow-up emails that keeps providing value and then guides them towards your offer. You see, it's this perfect 1-2 punch. The PDF does the heavy lifting up front. It provides that initial burst of value and creates the whole context for why someone should listen to you. Then the automated emails take the baton, building the relationship over time and presenting your offer at just the right moment. Okay, you've built the engine. Now it's time to fire it up and get it seen. Let's talk about how you get your new automated sales machine in front of the right people. Promotion does not have to be complicated. You can share it on your social media profiles, of course, send it to your email list, but also think bigger. Find those relevant Facebook groups or online forums. Mention it in your YouTube videos or blog articles. You could even collaborate with other creators. The key is to place this piece of value exactly where your ideal audience is already hanging out. And this is the ultimate payoff. Once the system is live, it's not just a marketing tactic, it becomes a true business asset. It's a system that works for you 24/7, building trust and generating leads day and night, even while you're sleeping.
So there you have it. That's the blueprint for turning a simple file into a genuine engine for growth. Your audience is out there right now, waiting for the value and transformation that only you can provide. So the only question left is, what will you create first?